Cell phone number is so important. Some number is really good, can create some good energy to us, but some number is related to health issue. And in this chapter, we're going to mention that one. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. This is Master Alex. Welcome. We mentioned that cell phone feng shui is so important. We cannot live without our cell phone. So our cell phone number, if the feng shui energy is good, it will bring you some good luck. Let's say the money fortune, the health, our family, the love, and then the financial fortune, something like that. So this is something good for us. But if, let's say, if your cell phone create or bring some like a negative feng shui energy, we mentioned there's some divorce number before. So if, let's say, your cell phone have some certain pattern, you will have some family issue and love issue we mentioned before. And today in this chapter, we're going to mention that, hey, there's some number is related to our health, is related to our health issue. And some number is even more horrible. You create some like a disaster or some like a serious health issue. We call some like a even cancer number. So in this chapter, we're going to mention that. Okay, we mentioned the number 8 is good in certain scenario, but not all the way. Okay, there's some pattern of number 8 is not really good. Let's say the 38 and 83 is not really good for love. And in this chapter, we're going to mention the health. Let's say for the number 98 or 89. If your friends or you have that kind of pattern, especially at the end of your cell phone number, 98 or 89, in that pattern, this is we call the health issue. This 98 and 89, although they also have an 8, but in this pattern, they are not really good for the health. There's some like a minor health issue. You may have not enough like a patient, and then you have some emotional ups and downs, and also not really good for your money luck too. And if you have that pattern, let's say your pattern is like a 798 or 897, okay, in this pattern is even more serious health issue. So it's always related to health, some like a serious health concern. Or if, for example, if your phone number is in this pattern, 1798 or 8971, this is a really serious like a damaging energy. So we create a lot of a health issue, sometimes related to some like a cancer, to serious health concern. So you can check with your friends, your relatives, see whether they have that kind of number, and check with their history and then their luck, see whether it's related to that. So this is the number we need to pay attention, but we still have more. But in this chapter, we are not going to mention all of them because we don't have time to do that. If you want to check your cell phone number, you can email me, you can call me, or leave the message. I will try my best to return your message. And I wish you good luck. Thank you. If you want to learn more about traditional feng shui setting and knowledge, I have a book in Amazon.com. The name is Practical Feng Shui 101. You can go there, take a look. I put a link down below. And if you want to learn more about current feng shui setting and yearly feng shui tips, I also have a book for you, free of charge. I put a link down below. You're welcome to go there, download it. And thanks for watching. Good luck.